This is a 51-year-old female. Complaints of breathlessness and dyspnea on exertion since last 3 months. Also gives history of use of Misri since last 10 years. X-ray showed opacity in left upper lobe and CT scan was done. CT scan is showing there is a focal lesion here in the left upper lobe. It measures around 13.6 millimeter in diameter. So we are going to do biopsy of this lesion. We will be approaching this lesion from anterior aspect here and then going for the biopsy with gun, which has throw length of around 11 millimeter. I am cleaning this area with the betadine. This is a spirit. Once the area is cleaned, we drape that area with the sterile drapes. After draping, I will give local anesthesia at the entry point. Small needle. Initially, I will give anesthesia into the skin, forming the skin bleb, and then go down. We keep this needle as a marker and then scan once again. So now I am taking a small nick at the entry point by using 11 number blade. Once the nick is taken, I will put the coaxial needle. The stopper on the coaxial needle is adjusted at the required length of the coaxial needle to be inserted inside body. Coaxial needle is inserted. We will check it on scan. So the coaxial needle is right in position with the tip of the coaxial needle just on the anterior margin of the lesion. You can see the shadow of the needle going through the lesion, which indicates the direction of our biopsy gun. This is a biopsy needle which we will be using to do biopsy. As this lesion is small, we have taken this automatic biopsy needle with throw length of 11 millimeter only. So to load this gun, we have to rotate this half twice and it gets locked. So this gun is now loaded to take the biopsy. Once the biopsy gun reaches the lesion, we just fire it by pressing this and the gun is fired. I am inserting the biopsy gun through coaxial needle. The length is matched and I am firing the gun. And this is the sample we got. Likewise, you can take multiple biopsies through this coaxial needle. We have taken multiple biopsies through this coaxial needle. So at the end, we take out the coaxial needle and compress the area of biopsy. Patient's SpO2 is 96% and even before procedure it was 96%. So we are not expecting any complications. So biopsy is done. The dressings are applied at the biopsy site. So this is a post-biopsy scan of the patient from where biopsy is done. This is the lesion, and you can see there is no pneumothorax after biopsy. This is a dressing applied over the area where entry was done for biopsy gun. And patient is stable. The procedure is finished.